Hello dear friends, this is MG, a geologist designer. This is not an official course. It may contain errors, so be sure to revise from the professor's lesson. Let's start Adobe Illustrator. Click File, New File, and use the RGB option. Let's set our user interface. Choose one of these modes. I will use the Essentials mode. In Window you can add other tools or remove the Tools panel. This is the Selection tool. Lines tool. Rotation tool. Mirror tool. Be sure to activate the Smart Guide from View Smart Guide. Let's start making our anticlinal and synclinal fold axes. Choose the Lines tool, double-click anywhere and use 120 mm and 0 degrees. Duplicate this line, or copy and paste. Zoom to one of the end. Using the Lines tool, double-click again, and draw a 2 mm line. Now double-click on the Rotation tool, and rotate this line 45 degrees. Click on the Mirror tool, and use the vertical axe. Click Copy. Now put the two lines to form an arrow like this, and right-click. Click Join. Copy this shape and paste it on the second line. Use the Mirror tool, like this. Now choose this white arrow and select these two dots in the middle. Change the alignment or the average mode to Selection, and use Align to the middle. Now put this shape on the line. Copy this shape, and rotate it again. Do the same thing for the first line. As you see, now you have your anticlinal and synclinal axes. Select the shapes with the lines and group them. Do the same thing for the second one. Now add the first group to the stroke shapes. Click here. Choose artistic form, and click OK. Now change these guides like this. And click OK. Do the same thing for the second group. Now if we use the pen tools and chose one of the furrows that we saved earlier, we can draw the axes easily. Delete all the shapes and let's start working. Click File, Open, and open all the images that we created using Envy. Create a new layer for each one of the images. Follow these steps. Each time we click in this small circle, we select our image, and click Copy and Paste in place in a new layer. Now you can start analyzing your images. As you see, we have an anticlinal axe here, so we draw one. If you have a geologic map, it will be helpful too. Luckily I have one, so I will import it so it can help me analyze all the axes. We have to make our artboard bigger so it can fit all the image. Keep drawing all the folds and faults, axes. Add a rectangle. Make the artboard bigger. Draw another scale bar. Add a north arrow. Use Google and search North Arrow PNG. Download the one that you like and import it. In case you don't have a PNG image, you can use a symbol. In Window, click Symbols. Choose Signs. And add this north arrow. Don't forget to add a legend. Here is the final card. Hope you enjoy this playlist. This was MG. Don't forget to email me if you need to ask anything related. There will be more videos soon. A Geologist Designer.